Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So y'all, I'm about to declutter, organize, and tackle this closet because it is a hot mess and it is long overdue. So today I'm finally getting a chance to declutter, my closet, because I just got stuff, everywhere, and I was like over it. So I got two closets. So this is one side of my closet, and this is the other side. So my closet is definitely smaller than what I'm used to. My last closet, it was a walk-in. So this is definitely an adjustment, having a smaller closet. So right now I'm just pulling everything out. I'm going to be making me a Goodwill bag for the clothes that I don't want, and I'm going to be donating it. And I ordered me some hangers, and I ordered me some organizing little cubbies that I'm going to be, putting my clothes in. So this is one of the organizing cubbies. I got two of them. I'm going to be putting one in each, closet. Then I got me some over the door shoe organizer. So I like these little white cubbies. I like the way they look, in the closet. So I can, put most of my leggings on one side of the closet, and the other I can put like my t-shirts and stuff, and then the other clothes, like my dress clothes, I'm gonna be mainly hanging those up. So but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. But before I get too far into this video, I would like to say hello and introduce myself. So if you're new here, my name is Angelica. I create mainly cleaning and organizing type videos. So if y'all are into that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. And for those of you that's been around and supporting me, for a while, I appreciate y'all for tuning back in and watching my channel. So that's all I have to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So y'all, the top of my closets, they need to be organized too, but I'm not going to focus on that today. I mainly wanted to get the bottom done, get it organized where it could be at least functional, and I can, see, my clothes. That's why I like the cubbies, where I can be able to see and easily pick out, something to wear. Because y'all, at first it was a headache trying to find something to wear, digging out of, bags. It was just, y'all, I was just over it. So that's mainly what I wanted to, focus on, is getting the bottom, functional, and then I'll do the top another day. So y'all, it's been a minute since I bought myself some new clothes. I do plan on updating my wardrobe, pretty soon, now that I got my closet, organized somewhat. I need more stuff like jeans, some more jackets, some more Sunday outfits, and going out outfits. So once I get those, I plan on keeping all those like hung up, on the hangers, and then like my everyday clothes like t-shirts and leggings, I plan on like keeping those folded, inside the cubby.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, deep. Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to
So y'all, for the shoes that can't fit in the clear organizer, I do plan on getting like a bigger, like the cubby shoe organizer, the one that go on the floor, for my bigger, shoes. But for right now, I'm putting mainly the flat shoes that fit in here over the door. So y'all, I had this extra organizer left over from my, last closet. I was about to throw it away because this one is not as sturdy as the new ones that I got. So I decided to go ahead and keep it and use it for something. So I was just putting like my pennies, a few of my bras in it, and then just any extra shirts or pants that was left over that needed a space. So y'all, that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm really loving my closet. Everything is so neat and organized, and I'm just, loving it. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning and organizing, videos. So that's it for now. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.